Alrighty. What are we looking like here? Get rid of a lot of these. Alrighty, so we broke below that pennant, right? We broke this low. I really thought we were going up, but I guess we're down. Give me a second. All right. So it looks like we're gonna come in down and test this low. I don't know if we wipe it, but definitely gonna come down and test it. Even market structure right now, right? We broke on the 4 minute. Or sorry, 4 hour. Hey William, I do stream on Discord for my VIP members. If that's something you're interested in, you can check that out. This is a broken base. This would be a breaker structure. What does this look like on the daily? Okay. What about the hourly? Big influx of buyers right here. Right here. That is definitely looking like a key level, right? So if we just mark this out, right here, we build up supply above it and pop. We test it. We like can't break below it right here, touch right here, touch right here, can't break above it here, can't break below it here. You probably couldn't break below this on a higher time frame. Higher time frame probably couldn't break below. Yeah, there's a ton of touches on this. So I'm definitely seeing this as a key level, right? I'm gonna set that one as array. Oh, do I not have that as array? it's kind of like just your volume profile, right? A lot of the volume is at the top of that range, and that makes sense, right? Because even just on the hourly, it just looks like you couldn't close above this level, and that's where the POC is as well. So I think there's a chance that we can get caught in this node. I can 100% see that. I don't know. We'll have to see. There's also a big demand zone down here. I remember marking this out as a demand zone. I don't quite remember on what time frame. Let's check the 5. Might have been on the 5. I like to look at these on the 5. Oh yeah, that was on the 5. Yeah, when you get like giant candles like this, that was a 165 point candle. Wait, am I reading that right? $165 points on that single candle. Wait, that's crazy. So yeah, big buyers here. What time is it? 9:10. Yeah, you like the other format of the stream better? That's fair. I'm just kind of testing stuff out, so thanks for the feedback. Yeah, more than anything, I'm trying to make room because I'm trying to make room for like showing a copy trader when I'm trading on Tradeovate. So yeah, that was kind of the main idea of me moving things around. Got a lot of levels here. Hold on, I don't even have my trading view open. Give me a second. ES, bearish. Oh, ES is a lot more bearish than NQ. Second, mark some stuff out. Oh, this is also Asia low, so we'll mark that out as Asia low. Back here. This key level is also Asia high. London high. That's going to be London low. We do have nothing in this range. We do have a few lows. almost want to say this is it. That this is the broken base. This is the sweeping candle. I'm gonna work this one out, but I'm gonna make this one a little darker. So you know that it's like the main low. I don't even know what I have marked out. How many points would this drop be? 400 points? Yeah, I don't know. I guess we could get there. That'd be a big move. Alright, we got a lot of levels marked down below, so at least we're not trading blind if price goes down there. Try to get back my losses today. I just honestly, just think of it as just trading, man. Like, if you see your setups, just take them, and then if you get back your losses today, then that's good. But if not, then you know it's just another day of trading. I think you'll end up like subconsciously just making like poor choices if you know are trying to get back money. So yeah, just try your best to really shift that mindset, because yeah, I think in the long run it's just very detrimental to think that way, and it's like not healthy either, right? Just like needing to get that money back. Good morning, Jake. Good morning. We're shorting today, right? Yeah, I am definitely looking short now. But I was like looking long this whole time here, and then it dropped 800 points. So kind of whatever the market gives us, man. It looks like we're unable to break above this level here. ES looks bearish, but ES has room to go up a little bit before it goes down. So we'll see. But definitely ES is definitely bearish. 618. That is looking nice for short. How many points does that stop? 20 points? That might be doable. I might take this, guys. I'm gonna be in just one contract here. Yeah, I think realistically I target like at least London low. Are you trading alpha funded? I'm actually not. I'm trading on my like master account for the alpha, but I'm just trading 3 XFAs right now. This week I'm going to trade. I'm gonna try to get payouts out of my XFAs this week, and then so like during AM session I'm probably gonna trade my XFAs, and then during PM session I'm more than likely going to trade like accounts from other firms. Like I'm gonna trade some Apex accounts, I'm probably gonna trade some. I don't know if you guys heard of Hypertix. I want to trade some Hypertix accounts. They have really good like instant funded accounts, so I'm about to try them out and see how that goes as well. And then yeah, and maybe next week we'll work on my alpha fundeds. We'll work on some of the Tradeify fundeds, and maybe we'll work through some lucid evals too. Honestly, my lucid evals are just sitting there, so. But yeah, I definitely want to take some payouts, so I'm gonna be working on at least my top steps this week. Like if my top steps just end up going like super in the red, I'll switch over to like maybe alpha. No, Hypertix. Hypertix for direct funding. Speaking of which, I wanted to actually put their logo on the stream. Let me do that right now. OBS. There it is. Yeah, Hypertix. Their CEO reached out to me, and I think he was just like watching the stream, and then yeah, he just wants me to trade on his accounts. I do just do like affiliate like promoting. So yeah, I just looked through their accounts, and I mean their account rules are pretty nice. I think their main attraction is that they have no consistency on instant funded. So I'm gonna try them out, and then see if we can get some payouts. And if you can get some payouts, then honestly, like, they're legit, and you guys should try out their instants. Yeah, right. I mean, like, every firm's gonna have like their own thing that's like either unique to them, or it's like like a special perk for the firm, right? Like Top Step has Top Step X. Tradeify has like you can take 5 accounts to live. Lucid, I think Lucid is just like super relaxed on rules, and they're kind of cheaper, but their payouts are lower. Apex, you can have 20 accounts, and they're super cheap. So that's Apex. I think, dude, honestly, after trading Apex a little bit, I think the way to go is actually to just like high key is just to like kind of full port evals, because they're so cheap, and then take the funded like slowly. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but I think that's the way to go on Apex evals. And then yeah, Hypertix has really good, honestly, they have really good instant funded accounts, so I'm kind of excited to try that out. Top 1 Futures, I just saw that. Top 1 Futures also has pretty good instant funded accounts, but they have like super tight consistency rules, so. But I think they have like, what's it called? You can trade up like 10 instant funded accounts on Top 1. So I wanted to try that too. I got a couple top one accounts because they had like 60% off for like first time buyers. So yeah, I don't know. There's so many prop firms that are like decent now. It's really like you can like choose your favorite, honestly, at this point. It is, well, I think it's monthly payment on Hypertix, but it is I don't think they have activation fees, so it is one time, but or no activation fees, but it's monthly. Yeah, I'd say the only caveat to Hypertix is that they don't have trade evade, so you have to trade on, I think it's like Rhythmic or something. The Rhythmic. So that's the only thing. So if I trade them, I probably trade them on a copy trader. Probably trade from like trade evade to Hypertix or something. But yeah, I don't know. They seem pretty decent. CEO seems like good guy, and yeah, it seems like they actually have like a full operation behind their prop firm. So like a good team is like a good sign for a prop firm as well. So yeah. All right, 2 minutes until market opens. This position went straight against us in an instant. I still like my stop loss. Definitely could get wicked out of this though on market open. Yeah, I might flatten this guy's before market starts. I was hoping this would like at least grind lower, something like this before market open, and we can get something like that. But I think I'm just gonna close this out at whatever the L is right now. Yeah, I still think this is like protected, but it definitely can like wick like that, right, on market open. And especially if the fill is bad on market open volatility, I might lose more than I intended. So yeah, I definitely want to be short, but let's see what the opening bell gives us. Yeah. honestly, like this high, right? We want to break this high, at least on a 30-minute chart, for us to be bullish. Otherwise, I would still think we're bearish. It just looks like bearish distribution. ES's distribution is a lot cleaner. If you look at ES, their bearish distribution looks a lot cleaner. So, yeah. All right, market open, and we are long. All right, take London high. Yeah, this is why even like your short bias, you don't want to really be in the market when it's open, unless like you're in from a position like, you know, from earlier. So we got sell pressure here. We're at VWAP, so definitely get some pressure here. I'm liking those wicks. I might try the short guys. I'm gonna drop this break even pretty soon. Yeah, I'm break even. I want to see this break below this level. I'd be pretty surprised if we're... Actually, no. Yeah, no, actually, I'd be pretty surprised if we're up. But remember, like, all of this is, like, room for up until that 30-minute breaker structure. Looks like this is taking us out break even. Let's see if the market spares us. Market has spared us. Yeah, market's a little undecided, but we broke below this level. Let's see what it looks like on the one. Yeah, we broke below it on the one. Unable to break above it on the one. We'll see if this keeps dumping. What I'm hoping for. Stay below this level. And take it out. Alright, break even. Not the worst. So we're kind of at that level here. Interesting. Looks like we're building supply above Asia, guys. I'm gonna try this long. My stop's right below supply. It looks like we're honestly building supply above Asia. And this is the level I was really interested in, the Asia low, right? I said if we reclaim that, we can see some bullishness. So let's see, 380. So I'll probably take this to like 380. What do we got here? Yeah, honestly, like 380 is like the highest. I'll take this. It's gonna be value area high. Well, if we can get up there. Yeah, ideally we still hold Asia low here. Just don't want to break below it. Woo! Alright, take it out. No worries. I'm like wanting to short this, but it's like right into VWAP. Not be worth it. I'm gonna try the short. Oh yeah, that's looking good. So yeah. Okay, are we really gonna hold VWAP? NQ is like right at VWAP. Still below it right now. I want this next 5 minute to close below it, and that would give me a lot of confidence in this. Like we're still distributing bearishly until we close above like Asia low, at least on a 30-minute chart. But I don't really like how we're holding this level, you know? Alright, stopped out again. That's unfortunate. Dang, it's like if we break structure above this, I want to long it, and then it goes short. But then when I short it below this, it goes long. It's building supply again above Asia low. Yo, what's up, Muya? What's up, man? It's honestly hard to say, but it still honestly looks like ES is in bearish distribution. So ES is still looking bearish. So is NQ. NQ is technically still in bearish distribution as well. So I'm more inclined to take shorts than I am longs right now. Yeah, I'm gonna short that. Let's see if we can get the follow through on this push. I still think the overall like macro distribution is bearish, so I'm much more inclined to short this. But I did want to see that confirmation. I think this candle right here was more than enough. Okay, ES closed bearish on the 1. Now this looks like supply build up to the downside, right? Might even get one more contract in. Yeah, I want this to start going though. Dude, there's no way, man. Alright, hope this level holds. Put a good amount of risk on this one, so damn. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna chill because this market is chopping me up. Same thing. I'm still inclined for shorts, but it looks like I don't know. I think you just gotta wait it out. A little unlucky, man. Let me check out ES just to kind of show you guys. Yeah, ES is still in bearish distribution, and honestly, until ES closes above this, I mean, it could be like on its way, right? Until it breaks above that on the 30, like it's still bearish. But like, I don't know if it's on its way up, right? And we're shorting it. I would just say it doesn't look like it's on its way up. It just like broke structure to the downside, right? $15-minute unable to close above these levels. Yeah, I'm gonna wait here and see if we can get some like sense of direction. I don't even think the market knows what it wants to do, right? It's choppy as hell. So it looks like this is gonna be the orb as well. Oops. And that looks like supply buildup now. Alright. We are going to take the long, guys. This is our setup. Take it to Asia high. Hope doesn't chop us up too much. I speak too soon. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. Give us something here. Our supply doesn't pop. Bouncing on VWAP. Our stop's right below VWAP right now, so see if it holds. Doesn't look like it's going to. Alright, stop that again, dude. Unfortunate. Quite unfortunate, guys. Damn, bro. I want to short this, but I know it's gonna yoink me. 647 or 947. So orb is made. 15-minute did close above, right? This could be a retest on the 15. Like retest on the 15 before up. And I don't know, technically we are setting higher lows. We're not really setting higher highs, so. Yeah, market's just undecided here, guys. It's a little unfortunate that I got caught up in that, but it is what it is. You see your edge, you gotta play it. I like the wicks on the 5. I like that for a long. I definitely like that for a long. And the 15 is breaking above, right? So, man, I was very short biased, but if we are long, right, this is gonna be really bullish. Like, once we cover this, we can definitely see a big push up. So, but I would just say at the moment we are bearish. Like, right? There's nothing to really tell us that this is gonna go up. Like, especially if we don't close above like these levels here on like at least the 30-minute chart. Ideally I want to see it on the hour, but this next hour is also a 30-minute candle, so let me just give it the 10 minutes, see what it wants to give us. If we can close above the blue here and break orb, we'll be looking good for a long. Otherwise, I'm still short biased, and I'll still take shorts if we get a decent setup. That looks kind of strong. Yeah, that looked strong. That push right there. I'm gonna give this a second, but I might be long on that. That's a really good push. Minutes. Couldn't close above this on the 15-second. Does it yoink down, or can we close above it? Looks like it actually wants to close above. I think we're breaking out, guys. I'm gonna go long. So ES is at VWAP, but ES on like the 15-minute chart looks super bullish. 5-minute chart looks extremely bullish right now too. A little worried this stops me out, but I do like the long right now. We have a lot of strength to the upside. So I'm kind of hoping this like has like minimal pullback and just kind of grinds up, right? That's kind of the idea. It's fine. Definitely want to try to build up some supply here for a pop. Still holding orb. Come on, let's get a breakout. A 30-minute close above. It did, right? Oh, we still have 7 minutes left on it. But like, we're like way above that level right now. 20 points. Damn, dude. Dude, I'm getting faked out so hard. Dang, at least I built up a buffer overnight, because this would have been terrible. ES is seeing a decent rejection off VWAP. Did I? ES is putting in clean higher highs and higher lows, but it's really not breaking out either. might try to short. Dude, I really want to short this. But I don't know if we'll get that follow through. The market really hasn't shown us that it can, you know. I need points with this stop be. 24 points. Dude, the market has like not proved itself. Right. I'm looking at the short on NQ, but man, now it has so many levels it's got to get through. The short's not looking that good. Hold on, I need to look through the ES charts real quick. Dang, I think we're grinding up, guys. Like, ES is just not giving up its lows. Our EMAs have flipped bullish. Oh, 10 a.m. court decision on tariffs. That sounds fair. All right. Well, now that short's going through. All right. We'll wait at the court decision then. We'll wait till 10 a.m. See how the hourly candle closes anyways. We definitely want to close above, what is that, 323? NQ has to get through VWAP. It has to get through its EMAs on the 5-minute. It has to get through all these lows. Dude, I think there's just like more reason for this to go up right now in terms of technicals. It's just the macro is bearish. So I don't know. We'll see if it reverses. We'll give it 2 minutes. We still have bearish distribution here. If this covers high, I'm probably gonna long this. Two minutes. Dang, that's a buy signal. Dang, that's so crazy choppy, bro. a dump right before? No, NQ closed bullish. ES didn't. Interesting. We're still bearish on the macro. Is this short entry on NQ? Finally broke below this low. It might be a short entry. I'm gonna try the short. I'm gonna risk like 500 on this. Stops above that high. I want to break this. I really want to break this low, and even the H4 broken base, I want to cover that. I want to make sure we can break that. Like, this would give me confidence to add into this. These candles, yeah, they're bad. This market's choppy for sure. So I would still say higher time frame is bearish. Like, we still have bearish distribution, so it's hard to be bullish here. But I guess the only thing is that NQ closed pretty bullish on the 30-minute, so it's definitely looking stronger than ES is. ES is looking a little bit more dumpy. We might stop down a bit. Pretty light risk. Risking like 200 on this trade. Man, why do I have a feeling this is gonna yoink us? ES 1 hour looks short, 4 hour looks short, 30-minute looks short. Damn, I don't like that. I'm gonna set this break even, guys. They're right above that stop. I'm at like a $35 loss if this wants to take me out. Like, if this is gonna go, I want it to go. I don't want it to hang out here too long. If it just stays at this level too long, the candles are gonna close bullish, so Like if it's gonna hang out here, I want it to just take me out at a very minimal loss. So, and if it's gonna run, I want it to run like now. Otherwise, you know, maybe we'll look for a better entry into this short because I'm still pretty short biased. Alright, that stopped me out. $30 loss, whatever. Yeah, it's just not giving me that confirmation it wants to go down. Like, I wanted to see this. What is that price action, man? Oh shoot, I did not mean under 2. Oh, I hope this runs. I like double clicked on accident. I'm gonna maybe buy one back. Okay, buy one back. I'm short on that. I'm starting to see some aggression in the market, right? You're seeing that volume flood in on those candles. Same trade, different entry. If this starts to break below this, I'm gonna add. Otherwise, this just weaks me again, so. All right, let's see if we can get this up, guys. Alright, ES is breaking down. This is the level I want broken. I'm gonna get one added. Here my stop down. sure I can move my stop. Right above that high. 5 minute close bearish. 5 minute close bearish on ES as well. NQ and ES. Yeah. 15 minute looks good. ES looks like it's building supply to downside. NQ a little stronger, but NQ is also still looking pretty weak. Yeah, ES is starting to break down here. Get some down candles. ES is in price discovery. It's starting to close below value area. So if we start getting some price acceptance, I think we can absolutely see this dump. Like ES just looks like it wants to dump. Like that price action is really, really dumpy. Right? You have bearish distribution. It just looks like it's continuing on a higher time frame. Just hoping we got a good entry on a lower time frame. I would say hanging out here is okay, because if it closes here, it's gonna close bearish. Okay, as soon as I say that. Come on. Dude, what? Oh my god. What a day, man. Bro, what is this PA, man? NQ is definitely looking a lot weaker, but I'm considering getting out of this trade right now. Dude, I don't know what ES is doing, man. Bro, why is ES going up? Who's buying ES right now? Yeah, clean P overnight, garbage during the day. Yeah. The ES just needs to dump. Like I don't understand who's buying ES. Like I don't, like, I guess like technically, I don't know why it's going up. It's like holding value a little bit. That just looks so bearish, man. We just broke structure on the 5 on ES. I don't know. It's not lining up. I can't make sense of it. Bright side, NQ is a lot weaker, so our position's surviving at the very least. So I think once ES does start moving down here, which I believe it should, NQ will move down a lot faster. But we're buying ES for some reason. Dude. Alright, and stopped out again. Oh, man. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Bro, is it going now? Dude, what is this, man? Finally starting to break. Alright, guys, I'm trying it one last time. Same trade. Third attempt on the same trade. So, fool me once, fool me twice, fool me 3 times, you know? Yeah, I am still extremely short bias. The ES just needs to start moving, man. Like, who's buying it? Who is it? Maybe I should buy it, and then it'll drop for you guys. They're watching the stream, remember? Yeah, this is my last time trying this trade for the 20th time, so we'll see. Yes, hello. All right, I'm out. I don't care. I'm just getting out. Yeah, and just yoinking, man. Bro, what? We bullish? What's going on? Holy moly, man. What is this market? Yes, back a VWAP. Alrighty. Well, if ES takes VWAP, looks strong. On top of that, if NQ starts breaking structure on at least probably the 5-minute, this is what I'll be looking at, then we'll have no choice, guys. And looks like ES has taken it. A few minutes left on the 5-minute. I wanted to at least close above it on the 5-minute. What are EMAs looking like? $20 seconds left on the 5-minute. I want to see how the ES 5-minute candle closes here. ES definitely looks like supply buildup. Like if you look at it on the 30-second chart, even the 1-minute chart looks like supply. It looks like it's about to pop. But now NQ is still looking weak, right? NQ's been looking weak compared to ES. So ES did close above VWAP. Man, it's hard to take a long on NQ. They're just so weak in comparison, right? ES supply kind of looks like it's popping now. That's fine. Alright, I might join in this long. Damn, that's a wide stop. Honestly, if you're looking up here, that's a good close. That's fine. I think NQ looks like it's starting to build up some supply, right? So we can see this. So I think these small pullbacks are fine. Move my stop up. Update your VWAP. Oh, on TradingView? Oh, I just updated it. Oh shoot, it changed the styling on it though. Dang it. Alright guys, well. Alright, well, it seems like market's starting to make up its mind. Can't guarantee it. ES just hit a base. Super close to hitting a base. So we'll have to see how it reacts off that. I definitely want to see like a giant boner candle coming out of ES or NQ here. The stop's too sensitive for movement there. My VWAP's anchored on session, yeah. You want to anchor it on the Globex session, which is at the 6 p.m. market open Eastern. Alright, well, ES is grinding up. Looks like supply buildup and it wants to pop, but kind of knowing this market, I think it could just yoink us to the downside. So I am trying to stay a little more risk adverse here. I'm not adding. I'm gonna move my stops up. At this point, I don't care if it stops me out. Like, I don't want to be losing too much on these trades. ES is just better though, I guess. Yeah, ES looks good. What an upsetting trading day, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we can get our edge rolling here. Like, if we see a candle like this, I'm probably gonna look to add into this, but until we get that, it's kind of up in the air. Higher time frame candle is closing pretty bullish on NQ. Same with ES. ES higher time frame closed pretty bullish. 30-minute candle closed pretty bullish on NQ or on ES and NQ. So honestly, if ES goes into actually, if both ES and NQ go into price discovery here, that would be great. So hesitant every level, yeah. Oh, there it is. Are we getting it? I want it to close up. Bro. It's not the candle I was looking for, but at least it's in the right direction. That's a little better. Okay, NQ is outside value, guys. I think we're right at orb. Is that orb? Oh no, we're above orb. Sorry. Look at ES. ES is just being so handsome right now. Look at that grind up. Alrighty. I'm gonna try to get one more con in here. NQ closed above value on the 15. And this grind looks healthy, so I'm hoping more up. Like, NQ seems more parabolic like this. So I'm kind of hoping that this trend holds. As long as this trend's holding, it's looking good. Like we're closing really bullishly on all these candles. Closing above orb. Wait, orb is, oh, it's like right at my stop. All right, well, that's not good. It looks like a little retest on the 5-minute chart. I want us to hold below or above this low here, even on the lower time frame. If you don't hold it on the lower time frame, I think you see a bigger like correction, and that'd be extremely unlucky for us. So I just want to see a push up now. I want to see strength. I want to see these dips get bought up to like ES 30-second broke structure to the downside, but I want to see that just get like instantly reversed, you know. So once that gets reversed, kind of like this, like NQ like technically broke structure to the downside, and now we're breaking to the upside. If this breaks, this will be like another entry trigger for us. So this is what we want. Yeah, we could not defeat them. We just joined them. I agree, man. Bro. What is actually wrong with price action today, man? I might flatten this. Yeah, I might have to call it here, guys. This is not it. I don't know. I'm just not able to read. The strength in the market's pretty low. I'm just trying to like think about the trades I took today, and it's like I would take these trades all over again, you know? So I think it's not even like my mental. It's just I think the edge is not playing out. It's a really choppy market. Like look at that. What is that? It's like so ugly. Like if anything though, right? Like it finally looks like we have direction. Like the higher time frame is kind of giving this, right? I wanted to do this, you know, kind of like that, but like this is technically that's possible today, so you know, like this is all fair game. So we're just, it's either a high volatility market, which my edge doesn't work well in, or yeah, I don't know. There's definitely something they can't get over on a hard time frame, right? Dude, like what is this? What is that? Bro. I don't even know, man. Dog market with big loose today. Yeah. Fortunately, me too, man. Unfortunately, me too. What can you do? What can you do when you play your edge and it doesn't work out? You know what I mean? It's going. Alright, well I'm in long. Let's see if we can hit our target. We're definitely seeing strength here. Of course. Please. Yeah, it takes me out. Dude. Alright, yeah, I'm done. That was actually my last one. Alright guys, I gotta get off. I gotta get off the stream. I gotta get off the charts. This is not good. I also have a side note. I have an interview with Randy Baines. He trades with like Austin Silver. I'm gonna be on his podcast today at 2 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, I'll send you guys a link to that later if you guys want to tune into that and kind of hype me up on that interview. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, I'll send the link to you guys in the Discord later. But yeah, guys, I think I just gotta get off. This is not good. I'm probably on later training evals. I need to grab some food or something. I need to take my mind off the charts for at least like an hour. So, but yeah, I'll be on the interview later or the podcast. Yeah, I'll send you guys the link on Discord and yeah. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.